Thank you for investing in VidPalAi. We appreciate your business and we know you're going to love it. This is your one-time offer to upgrade to VidPalAi Pro Edition. This is a huge upgrade that's going to unlock the ability to do even more with VidPalAi. I'm talking about more features and the ability to do more and bigger projects, which means this is going to multiply your profit potential. You obviously saw the value of VidPalAi and invested in it, so you're going to want to see this upgrade because it literally multiplies the power of VidPalAi. I'm going to quickly show you what you get with this Pro upgrade. First, and I'm mentioning this one first because in my opinion, it's the most valuable of all the upgrades that I'll be listing in this video, is upgraded limits on your videos. With the membership that you just bought, you can use it as often as you want, but there are some limits. You're limited to 2,000 characters and 10 slides on each whiteboard video. With this Pro upgrade, we're doubling those limits to 4,000 characters and 20 slides. That's a huge, huge upgrade. As you may have seen on my demo on the previous sales page, you can do a lot with 10 slides. Those were the limits that I was working with in that demo. But you can do so much more with 20 slides. It makes an especially big difference on sales videos and tutorial videos where you're trying to teach or explain something more complex. In fact, this video that you're watching right now contains 17 slides. So I can attest to the fact that 20 slides is a great number to work with for real-world sales situations. And I'll remind you that it's not like you're having to create those slides. Remember, the AI can automatically write your script and break it into the slides and create the slides for you. So with this upgrade, you're literally doubling the power of what the AI can do for you in this video suite. Another area where we're raising the limit is the types of videos that you can create. In your current membership, you can create the 6 types of whiteboard videos that you see here, along with slideshows. In this Pro version, we are more than doubling your opportunity by adding 10 additional types of videos that you can create. With the Pro version, you'll be able to create cooking videos, fitness videos, real estate videos, fashion videos, business videos, children's videos, software review videos, make money online videos, travel videos, and nature videos. In a demo video below, I'll show you examples of me creating each of those types of videos using the Pro version. You'll also find sample videos on this page for each of those 10 video types. We're not done multiplying your opportunity yet, and this next one is truly a multiplier. In your current membership, you have only English language voices built into the AI Whiteboard Maker, which is what we use for sales videos, squeeze pages, information, all the different types of videos, right? All those ones that we just listed. In this Pro upgrade, you get all the voices in all the languages. We're talking about over 100 voices covering every major language. Talk about a profit multiplier. With this upgrade, you can create your videos in any language and go after as many global markets as you want. This Pro upgrade also adds some powerful features to the Whiteboard Video Maker, including text animation for your slides, more fonts to choose from, and 100 DFY video frames to choose from. These frames look really awesome and take your whiteboard video to the next level. In fact, you'll see me using them in the demo on this page. This Pro upgrade is also going to add some hugely valuable tools to the built-in video editor. If you watched the demo on the previous sales page, you may recall me using the video editor to add stock images on top of the whiteboard videos. With this Pro upgrade, you can also add stock videos. You can search for them and find stock videos right in our tool to put them on top of the whiteboard videos. And you can search by any keyword, instantly grab stock videos, drop them onto your videos, or you can upload any video from your computer. When you add all those components together with what you're getting in this upgrade, the total value is practically off the charts. Considering that we are multiplying the power of VidPalAi, we could be asking $997 for this upgrade, or say $97 a month. But just like we gave you a crazy good deal on your VidPalAi membership, we're going to give you this one opportunity to upgrade to VidPalAi Pro Edition for the surprisingly affordable price that you'll find below. Just remember, this is your one opportunity to upgrade to VidPalAi Pro Edition to have the limits raised on your account, plus have all those additional features and tools that I mentioned. So go ahead and click the order button now to grab this incredible upgrade. Thanks again for investing in VidPalAi, and we hope you'll take us up on this opportunity to multiply the power of it by boosting the limits and expanding your opportunities. Again, this is a one-time offer, so please take action and grab it now.